Here are 4 tools that you must have if you want to save a lot of time, make a lot of money, and work smarter. The last one is my favorite. Don't worry, I'll keep things very simple. Tool number 1, ChatGPT or DeepSeek, or for that matter, any other AI model. It's 2025, and if you're still not using AI, I don't know what are you doing. Let me give you a brief description about DeepSeek if you don't know what DeepSeek is. DeepSeek is a China-made LLM. LLM stands for Large Language Model. Well, this is just my opinion, but I don't think DeepSeek is at the level at which OpenAI is as of yet. But the one thing that I think DeepSeek has that is very good, or I find it very cool, is its interface. Let me just show you. So when I say write a thank you email, you see how it says, okay, the user wants me to write a thank you email. Let me start by considering the context. So the thing is that it shows what it's thinking and it displays it, and that is what I like about it. I mean, I personally like about it. I don't know about you guys, but I find it kind of cool. Now, why is it a must have? Because it can write emails for you, come up with content ideas for you, do lead qualifications, and so much more. Tool number 2, cal.com. Well, here you see I have multiple events and all of them are active. Well, unlike Calendly, they only give you like one event, if I'm right, because I haven't used Calendly in a long time. And another cool feature is if I click on this event, you see I can play around with all this stuff. The location where I want it to be, it can be Google Meet, Zoom call. I can play around with the timings also. The best thing about cal.com is the webhook. Now, what is a webhook? A webhook is technically a link where you can send all your information to. For example, let's say someone books a meeting with me. I can take all of their data, and using the webhook, I can send it to another application. Tool number 3, a chatbot. Now I know most of you guys don't think chatbots are good. The chatbots are not good. They sound very generic and this and that. But chatbots have become much better than you think. Okay, it all depends on the prompt that you give it. Okay, so the best website that I think for making chatbots is chatbotbuild.ai, and this is what it looks like. Now if you go to flows, you all see that it already has a flow, a welcome message. This is what the backend of a chatbot looks like. It's very simple, and connecting this with Instagram is very easy. Just click connect and that's done. Okay, whereas in BotPress you have to do a whole another shit to just connect it with Instagram, and sometimes that doesn't even happen. The last and final tool, my favorite, make.com. Now if you don't know what make.com is a no-code platform. It means that you can connect all the different apps or tools that I mentioned above to each other. For example, I can connect cal.com and ChatGPT. So when someone books a meeting with me in cal.com, I can write a personalized email for them, and then I can send it using make.com as a third-party platform. So this is what the dashboard looks like. And if you go to the scenarios tab, this is where all your scenarios or all your automations will be stored, and you see I have a number of them. The reason I like make.com is because you can use it to automate your repetitive tasks like sending emails, connecting different apps to each other. You can also tell it to trigger a specific workflow based on what the client does. For example, as I mentioned, when someone books a meeting with me in cal.com, I can use that as a trigger or as a starting point to do something else, to write an email, to enter all of that data into a CRM or something like that. Now, if you're not already using all of these, it's fine, just give it a try. And if you need your help, you can watch any of my previous videos where I show you how you can make your own automations. Well, if you're a coach, if you don't necessarily have to be one. Okay, if you need help to add automations to your business, you can DM me or you can book a call with me. The link is down in the description. With all that said, I'll see you soon. Bye.